Most RV travel days go exactly as planned, but it only takes one flat tire, dead battery, or traffic jam to ruin your day. After years on the road, I've learned that RV safety isn't about expecting something to go wrong. It's about being prepared if it does. Here is everything in our RV travel day safety kit. I will link to an article with all the products in the description, so don't worry about writing everything down. One of the first things every RVer should have is a tire pressure monitoring system. A TPMS keeps an eye on your tire pressure and temperature while you're driving, and it will alert you to a problem before it turns into a blowout. I also never travel without a portable air compressor. Tire pressure can change quickly with weather and elevation, and being able to add air before you hit the road can save you a lot of trouble. A 12-volt tire inflator works best as you don't need a plug-in. You can just connect to your RV battery or the 7-way plug. A tire repair kit is another must-have. Sometimes a simple puncture can be fixed in minutes and get you safely back on the road. And of course, make sure you have a spare tire. You'd be surprised how many RVs don't come with one. If you've ever had to pull over on the shoulder of a busy highway, you know how important visibility is. Reflective warning triangles help alert other drivers that you're stopped ahead, especially around curves or in low light conditions. Speaking of low light, keep a flashlight or headlamp within easy reach. If you need to inspect a tire or make a repair after dark, you'll be glad you have it. Another thing I would never travel without is roadside assistance. Some problems just aren't fixable on the side of a road, and towing an RV isn't cheap. Having a good roadside assistance plan can save you thousands of dollars and a lot of stress. Dead batteries are another common issue, so carry jumper cables or a portable jump starter. Having a way to get your vehicle started can keep a small problem from becoming a major headache. And don't forget the basics. A simple toolkit, zip ties, and duct tape can handle a surprising number of roadside repairs. Beyond vehicle emergencies, it's important to be prepared for personal emergencies too. A well-stocked first aid kit should always be part of your RV setup. I also recommend carrying more drinking water and snacks than you think you'll need. Traffic accidents, road closures, and weather delays can leave you sitting for hours, especially in extreme temperatures. If you spend time boondocking or camping in remote areas, there are a couple more items worth considering. Traction boards can help you get unstuck from sand, mud, or snow without needing a tow truck. And if you're traveling far from civilization, make sure you have a way to stay connected. Many newer smartphones have emergency satellite communication features, but none of that matters if your battery is dead. That's why carrying a portable phone charger is a smart idea. The goal isn't to fill your RV with emergency gear. It's to have a few key items that can turn a major travel day disaster into a minor inconvenience. I'll put links to all of the gear mentioned in this video down in the description. And if you enjoy RV tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching and happy camping.